Hey, I'm Ashley. I'm going to show y'all how to do the neonatal setup. Everything's going to be in your packet that you've already got. You'll just open your vent circuit and your nitric circuit that is in your orange nitric bag. I've got everything set up here that we'll need. You'll go ahead and do your bottom of your circuit like normal. This piece comes in this nitric circuit as well. You'll attach this to your vent, and then you will have your nitric circuit set up to your NOxBOX. This piece will go attached here. You're going to have the green arrow out towards your patient, and then your blue line is going to attach towards here. The only other adjustment that you'll need to make is you'll have to attach your sample line. There's two options on this. I like to use this packet that comes in your vent circuit. And then you're going to take this little piece, take off your blue line, and then you'll place the sample line here, or sample attachment, and then your sample line will attach to that. You're going to want that obviously as close to your patient as you can to get a clear read, and then this will attach to your NOxBOX. And then from there you can attach to your patient once you're set up. The other option is this green piece, which comes in your nitric setup. And there are several other options of this that have the same size attachment. The one that you're going to need is going to be the smaller to the larger, and that'll attach here at the same place. You'll just have to attach the larger side to the right side. But other than that, I like this one. It works better. All right, we're going to go through the setup of how to actually turn your nitric on. You've got your vent set up with everything attached, and you can go ahead and do this en route if you know that you're going to need nitric. When you turn on your NOxBOX, it automatically is going to do a 2-minute test, calibration test that it does on its own. After that test is finished, this is the screen that you're going to see. You're just going to automatically go to skip to dose down here. Just bypass all those. We calibrate it monthly. That's all unnecessary. And then you're just going to get through the system until you can put your nitric dose in. We generally always start at 20, 100% FiO2. Skip it. It's going to verify. And then it's just going to have your alarm settings. Past that, again, it's going to ask, is this what you want? 20 parts? Yes. And then it's going to administer your nitric once your ventilator is turned on. Okay. All right, so setting up the nitric, there's only one way to do it. If it doesn't fit, it's in there wrong. So your green nitric hose is attached in the back. You're going to attach here. It just pops in. This are all together, and this piece goes underneath. And then this is your sample line that you've already attached onto your circuit. This piece is generally always on there, but if you were not to have it, it is in the packet, and it just connects, and then this screws in. One problem that you will run into right here, these pieces will detach unless you press these buttons to get all of it off. So if you're trying to plug this in and it's not fitting, this is already in there. You can attach it and plug it in. All right, in case of needing to bag while you're still delivering your nitric, you're going to hook up your oxygen hose here with your bag, and you're going to hook this up to oxygen. Turn your flow on. You're going to switch this over to white, and once your flow is delivering, you'll be bagging with nitric.
All right, thanks, Ashley. So I'm going to walk through the adult circuit now. So you're going to set all that up the same way she showed you. What you'll need is the inline neb, the little flexible hose, and it'll hook directly onto your expiratory valve, and then the 15 millimeter adapter will hook right into your circuit. All this stays the same. All of this is the same. The only major difference is at the patient side of your vent, you need to hook up one of the green filters. We haven't really found anything else that it'll work well with. And then this will screw in here as opposed to the top of the neonate circuit. Once you have that, if you don't have one of these, theoretically, what you can do is take the clear vent filter, hook it to the expiratory valve with the 20 millimeter adapter, and then the 15 would fall right here, and then the green will actually hook to your circuit. So either one of those setups will work. This has a little bit more tension than this, so just whatever you have.